Look at this snake plant. I started from just one small pot, but now it has produced many new plants. So today I am giving this plant a fresh start. I will divide it, repot it, and plant the new portions separately. And the best part, we can get more plants from the same mother plant. This is the old soil from the pot. Before planting again, I first break the hard soil clods. This makes the soil loose and easier to work with. Snake plant prefer a loose and well-drained growing medium. They do not like to stay in waterlogged soil. For my potting mix, I am reusing this old soil, but I am also adding vermicompost. For my potting mix, I am reusing this old soil, but I am also adding vermicompost. Vermicompost adds organic matter and nutrients to the growing medium. It also helps improving the overall condition of the soil. I mix it well with the old soil. This simple mixture is now ready for planting. It is attractive, easy to care for, and can tolerate relatively low light conditions. Like other green plants, it also absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen through photosynthesis. And interestingly, snake plant can continue photosynthesis at night under suitable conditions. It is not a replacement for proper ventilation, but it can be a beautiful addition to an indoor space. That makes it a great choice for homes, offices, and other indoor environments. Now I lightly water the plant. I leave it for a few minutes. This helps loosen the soil around the roots, and that makes the plant easier to remove from the pot. Now the new grow bag is ready. I'm using a medium sized grow bag for the divided plant. First, I add the prepared potting mixture. I fill the bag gradually. There should be enough space for the roots to sit comfortably. I don't want to pack the soil too tightly. These roots need air as well as moisture. A good growing medium should drain excess water easily. This is especially important for snake plants because their roots can suffer when the soil stays wet for too long. Now comes the most interesting part. I carefully remove the snake plant from the old pot. Look at this root ball. You can see that several plants have grown together in the same pot. I am going to divide them. Now I will plant one portion in this grow bag. I place the roots into the center. Then I add the potting mixture around the roots. I gently press the soil into the prepared place, but I don't press it so hard. The plant should stand firmly, while the soil still remains loose enough for good drainage and air movement. And there we have it. One part of the original plant now has a new home. Now I prepare the old pot again. I add the remaining potting mixture. This pot will be used for the remaining portion of the snake plant. Here is the remaining portion. I carefully place it into the pot. I position the roots properly. Then I fill the gaps with soil. A gentle press is enough to hold the plant in place. And now our original snake plant has become two separate plantings. Finally, I give both plants a light watering. I'm not over soaking the soil, just enough water to settle the growing medium around the roots. After repotting, I will keep these plants in a suitable bright location with indirect sunlight. And most importantly, I will avoid overwatering.